Time to dip, just wanna move bitey on the beat, bitey, bitey on the beat, bitey, just wanna move bitey on the beat, bitey, bitey. Come on, bitch, just wanna beat, bitey on the 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 beat, bitey. Need you hoes good like me. In the lap, 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 and cook like me. To the L, to the L.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. But you guys, I'm dumb excited. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you the new Colourpop x Malibu Barbie collection. And what is the coincidence, you guys? Like, just around the same time Nicki Minaj just came out with an album, you guys, giving me my full Barbie fantasy. You guys, I was that teenage ratchet ass girl with that big ass Barbie chain jacket that I'm Harajuku Barbie this and I'm the Barbie that. As this is like me right now living my best life. So obviously this is the look that I came up with, and of course you guys, I decided to give y'all, you know, the whole vibe. Kind of have on like my little Barbie little one piece here, don't mind my mic, and of course since it's Malibu Barbie, I wanted to do like some beach waves with my ponytail. And you guys ever had that doll that always had the side swoop? We got my little pins. Barbie always comes with her accessories. So you guys, I had to give y'all the full look, and I am like obsessed, you guys. I keep looking at myself like, yes bitch, we did that. So yeah, in today's video I did use everything in the Barbie x Colourpop collection, and I'm not gonna open this box because I usually show you guys everything in the intro, but not today. You guys are gonna have to watch the video to see in depth everything in the Barbie x Colourpop collection, and of course get to see me use everything in action. So yes baddies, we are on our Barbie shit today in this video. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this poppin' ass Malibu Barbie look, then you guys already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching, and before you go, hit that thumbs up button. That way I know that you guys love my makeup tutorials, you know. Show your girl some love, stop being a hater. And yeah, you guys, let me stop rambling and let's jump into the video.
Okay, so jumping into voiceover finally, because I was so annoyed in the intro, you guys. My mic was not plugged in, so my audio is all fucked up. But yes, first things first, of course, to get this Barbie mode activated, I have to play the brand new Nicki Minaj album. Like, I'm dumb hyped that she re-released this mixtape and actually made it into an official album, girl. Definitely giving me old school vibes. I used to love all of these damn songs back in the day, so I'm dumb hyped, you guys. Comment down below if what's your favorite song on the track. Mine is Beam Me Up Scotty. I fucking love that song so much. But anyways, as you can see, I got my jam on. Look at me, Nicki Minaj, but I turned into a whole bird. I'm such a fan. But anyways, let's just appreciate this skin for a second, you guys, because I actually hopped on camera without my brows today just to show you guys, you know, a little bit of bare skin. And really just, I've been obsessed with my new skincare routine. But anyways, moving on, we're jumping into the new Barbie Colourpop collection, and the PR package was so cute. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for sending this to me. So I just wanted to quickly show you everything in the collection. We do have a palette as well as some lashes, which honestly are not really my taste, but of course just wanted to show you guys them anyway. So we do have some falsies. Next up, we also do have a Super Shock highlighter, which I love the Super Shock formula. And we also do have a mini handheld mirror. Now, I did want to really show you really quickly like the size of the mirror compared to like my other handheld mirrors, because I thought it was just going to be a regular full-size mirror, but no, girl, this thing is mini. I didn't know that it was going to be mini, so I just wanted to let you know it's mini, and it's very tiny, but it's still cute. Definitely travel friendly. And then you do get 3 lip duo kits that do also include a liner and a lipstick. So I did one eye off camera, and honey, I am living for this creation I did on my eyeball. Definitely love the vibes. I've been so into orange and pink lately as a color combo. Oh, so beautiful together, especially for summer. Definitely have to try that color combo. Sage, I do not want to play ball right now, girl. If you guys hear Sage in the background, is because like she's like right next to me trying to get my attention, so sorry if you guys could hear her. But yeah, the first shade I am going into, of course, is that super neon pink, which is the shade Best Coast. Now, this pink was so popping, you guys, and so pigmented. And as you guys can see, I am popping that only into my outer corner and stopping it right where my brow arches at, because we're not going to bring this entirely from outer corner to inner corner. Look at me again going in, okay? I'm in my prime right now. I'm jamming. But anyways, now I'm going in with that bright orange, which is this shade SoCal. And this is such a really pretty orange as well. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes Colourpop palettes for me be a hit or miss, but this Barbie one, honestly, super pigmented, not chalky whatsoever. Now I'm gonna pop in the shade West Coast, which is a very nice yellow, but it does have a little bit of some orange undertone, which I really like because it made everything blend really nicely, giving me sunset vibes in the crease for sure. So now that we have a nice gradient and everything is nice and blended, you do want to go back in with each and every color and make sure that everything is layered up and nice and pigmented. And now, as you guys can see, I don't have any color on my inner corner of my crease, so now I'm actually going to take that yellow again and pop that into the inner corner, and now take a clean brush and diffuse those edges. That way is nice and blended. And as you guys can see, the little sunset ombre is only on the outer corner, and I just kept the inner part more on the yellow side. As you guys can see, I am also taking a little bit of whatever was left over on my brush that had some orange, just to deepen that up a little bit further, just so that way, like I said, everything is blending really nicely together. Now I'm gonna take my TG Supply cut crease brush. I'm so obsessed with the cut crease kits, and a little bit of my PLOUISE blank canvas, and do a quick little cut crease. And I'm telling you guys, definitely check out the brushes because it's been making my cut creases hella poppin'. But anyways, I'm gonna set that lid with the shade Make It Waves, which is such a nice tan nude shade, so pretty. And now I'm gonna use that foiled pink, which is the shade Follow the Sun. It's like a metallic hot pink. I definitely wanted to do a little pop of shimmer on the lid. My only critique, honestly, I really wish there was more pinks in this palette, being that it is a Barbie palette. I feel like you get one metallic, like 2 shimmer pinks and 1 matte hot pink. I wish there was a matte light pink, that way I could have honestly did full pink in my crease. I felt like the only color to blend out that hot pink is the orange, and it's kind of like, damn, I wish there was more transition shades of pink. So that's like my only critique, but besides that, I still feel like this palette is hella bomb and they definitely killed it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna pop that lighter shimmery pink onto my inner corner, which was so cute, you guys. I loved it, that shade, which was Vintage Doll, so nice. But now I wanted to tell you and show you guys up close the lashes. Definitely was not gonna go with this vibe, so I just popped on my own lashes. And if you guys were wondering what lashes these are, honey, you guys will be finding out very soon. Yes, I did come out with another bomb ass pair of lashes, so can't wait to show you guys those. But yeah, here's a little sneak peek. So now moving on to the skin, and I'm tight because my background lights died, my little fairy lights, so yeah, that's why my face is stressed. But yeah, moving on to the skin, I'm taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And you guys, I love this primer so much. Definitely a great primer for summer, especially if you want your makeup to really last and grip onto your foundation. But just to fill in my pores a little bit, I wanted to go in with the NYX Marshmallow primer, and I love the smell of this, you guys. I love this primer also as well. It's a really good affordable primer, especially if you're looking for something to smooth out your skin. Now that my skin is nice and prepped, I'm gonna jump into foundation. This one is the Pretty Fresh foundation from Colourpop that has hyaluronic acid in it. So if you have dry skin, I am telling you, you are going to love this foundation. I did have to mix 2 shades. I did mix 80W and 100W just because I am a little bit tan right now, so that's why you guys see it was like 2 different shades. But do you see the coverage on this foundation, honey? Now, a lot of dewy foundations don't have much coverage, but this one, hella bomb, full coverage. It's so nice, and it definitely makes your skin look like skin. I love it. But anyways, right now I'm just gonna quickly cream contour with my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and then I'm also gonna use the Pretty Fresh concealer as well. I will leave the shade to this in the description box because this was actually my first time using the concealer. I love the foundation. I've used the foundation a hella times, but this concealer today was my first time trying it, and girl, was I impressed. I was like, sheesh. The way it looked so smooth, and the way it blended was so nicely. I think the concealer also has hyaluronic acid as well, so it's going to be super hydrating on your under eye. So this is a very nice concealer if you have more drier under eyes like me. So yeah, it was actually really good. I did set that with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I did want to keep all of the products in today's video pretty affordable, being that Colourpop is a very affordable brand. I wanted, you know, everything to be all in the same price range. So yeah. So now that I quickly set my under eye with some powder, I'm going to set the rest of my face. And for today's video, I'm going to be using the number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder in the shade Light Medium. This is such a nice powder, especially if you do not want to dry out your skin. I hate when I have a dewy foundation and then I use a matte powder and I'm like, where did my dewiness go? You know what I'm saying? But this powder is definitely not going to do that. So now for bronzer, I am going to take the AVANI Greg X Morphe bronzer. And I told you guys I'm obsessed with this bronzer. I can't stop using it. This one is in the shade Cali and I love it. It's a luminous bronzer, but it does come off matte on the skin. But I love the way it blends. It does not like skip or nothing. It is so good. So for blush, I'm taking the Colourpop X Sailor Moon. I had to back this out again, you guys, because in that collection, they do have a very bright pink blush that I felt like was just so perfect with this look. I also wish that they would have gave us some blushes in this collection as well, because I love when Colourpop incorporates like blushes in their launches. I just love their Colourpop blushes. It's one of my favorite products from Colourpop. But anyways, moving back onto the collection, this collection also did come with a Super Shock highlighter. If you guys do not know, the Super Shock highlighters are more of like a putty type of formula, so they're not a super powdery finish. They definitely like blend into the skin. I love the Super Shock highlighters so much because they look so like wet on the skin. Definitely like glass skin, and I love that. Quick question, are you guys dewy skin or team matte skin? I wanted to show you guys a comparison with and without the highlighter, just in case you're not a fan of highlighter. But me personally, bitch, I like to be glowing from a mile away. I love me some highlighter. So jumping back into the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop BFF Gel Liner, and this one is in the shade Big Splash, which is such a perfect name to go with this look. And then I am going to set that with the matte blue in the palette, which is the shade Malibu Memories. So cute. And yeah, you guys, it just went perfect on my lower lash line, and I love this shade of blue. If you have brown eyes, it's definitely going to make them pop. And of course, I had to pop my inner corner highlight just so that way it could really be intense and you guys could, you know, really see it. So yeah, now for the lip duos, it does come with 3. So you're gonna get a lip liner and a lipstick in each duo. So the first one I have here is Malibu Sunset, which is more of a hot pink, and the lipstick formula is not a matte, they're more like a creamy type of lipstick. Then the next one we do have Golden Beach, which is a nude, and then we have Malibu Sunset, which is more of a lighter peachy pink. I'm personally, of course, gonna do the nude, especially because my eyes are pretty bold, so I am gonna take Golden Beach. So I do have on my own liner because the liner that came with Golden Beach was just a bit too light, so I do have Morphe Sweet Tea liner on, and now I'm gonna go in with the Golden Beach lipstick, and it's actually really pretty, you guys. But I did have to layer it so that way the center of my lips could be a little bit lighter, because I do like that look. And then I just reapplied my lip liner for some more definition, and last but not least, definitely drenched my skin in that Super Shock highlighter. I was just so obsessed, especially even with the colors. Just such a pretty like pinky pink highlighter. So nice, you guys. And last but not least actually is setting spray, and this is the Pretty Fresh setting spray from Colourpop as well. And girl, my face be looking so stank when I'm like drying my face. I was like, what the hell, why do I look so angry? Like resting bitch face for sure. But anyways, you guys, this is the completed look. Of course, I am gonna fix my hair and change just to give you guys, you know, the full Barbie vibes. But what do we think of the collection, you guys? So far, the palette was such a go for me. I love the palette, and I really love the highlighter. So out of the collection, those 2 products was definitely my fave. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video and enjoy this look. I had so much fun, you know, bringing my inner Barbie to life. This video was so much fun to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love that y'all showed me on Instagram when I did post this look for the first time. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.